Hey everybody, Andrew here from the Adelaide Appliance Gallery, home of the iconic Mr. Dishwasher, and today's hints and tips video is brought to you by our local homebrew product, Power of 4. Anything in this video that you're about to see is always general in nature, so please make sure you always follow manufacturer guidelines when attempting any of this stuff at home. Enjoy.
Alright guys, we've identified that our washing machine's not draining. What we need to do is check that we've got no blockages in our fluff filter, and to do that we open up this flap down here. We need to unscrew this cap, and to do so a bit of water will come out. Whatever water's in the machine will come rushing out, so it's always good to have something to drain it. You can drain them with these little hoses. Some machines have these and you can pop them out and all the water in the machine will come out of that. If you're in an extreme hurry, open up this cap. If you're finding it very difficult to turn, there's going to be a blockage in there, and the only way really to get that out is it's either going to break the fluff filter, or you're going to be able to free it up by using something similar to a pair of multi-grips. Open them up, go wide on the fluff filter so you don't break it, and turn it until it frees up. Once we've got this out, as you can see, all the water will come out. Check that we don't have any lint blockages in our fluff filter, anything in there. And there is a little impeller in here. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to see it, but we'll try and give you a shot of that. It looks like a little fan, and that inside there should turn freely. You should be able to spin it and it will click in quarter of a turn. If there's a coin, a hairpin or something similar in there, make sure you remove that. And once you've done that, put our filter back in, turn it until it locks in place, and then start our machine up. And when we do start the machine up, just make sure that when it's filling, that you're keeping an eye on here for the first time and no water is pouring out of your seal there.
Well, I hope you found that video of use. For any general maintenance and cleaning of dishwashers and washing machines, we do recommend that you run a descaler through your dishwasher or washing machine. We've got a Power of 4 product that does that. We'll be talking a little bit more about Power of 4 in a future video, but we recommend running your machine at a 60 or 70 degree cycle to clean out all the gunk and crap. So like, share and comment if you thought that was of use. And you can reach us via the website www.adelaideappliancegallery.com.au, via Instagram and Facebook at Adelaide Appliance Gallery, or if you're in Adelaide, give us a call on 8223 1146.